The job market is booming. We're experiencing a steady drop in unemployment, with thousands of jobs being up for grabs in the next few years to come, and a scarcity of candidates to fill it. This begs the question, how will your company thrive in the next age? We offer the solution to your recruitment needs. Jobbird.com is a data-driven and award-winning recruitment platform created with the sole purpose to simplify recruitment worldwide. Our software will target the passive job seekers in the market and find the perfect candidate to complete your team and move your company forward. Our goal is to make the job market transparent for both job seekers and companies. We connect employers and candidates 24/7 worldwide. How do we do this? Through the use of our own algorithm, which makes smart use of artificial intelligence. We know the best way to attract a candidate. Our platform provides you with the candidates you need, or we'll deliver the perfect candidate through our network of over 1,000 channels. We target the best passive job seekers fully automatically on platforms like Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, and many more. We have created Jobbird.com with you in mind. How? First, we don't work with contracts, giving you the freedom to opt in whenever you want. Second, our business model is performance-based. You will therefore only pay for the views that we deliver. Our CPC is 25 cents per view. Our average CPA is only €6.25. We're leagues ahead of traditional and expensive job boards through the use of our performance-based algorithm. With too many recruitment channels to go around, don't waste either time or money on rubbish and start using Jobbird. The right candidate is waiting just one click away. Jobbird delivers, guaranteed. We're ahead of the game with over 70,000 companies who have placed their faith in our platform. So what's stopping you from joining? Request a demo now or start your free premium trial today. Contact us, sales@jobbird.com.